So the question is, how do you make galactic contact? My name is Asara Adams, and I'm part of a group of Galactic Lightworkers who are a human bridge between planet Earth and Galactic Civilizations of Light. We know that galactic contact is real. In fact, galactic contact is happening for thousands of people every day. We are lightworkers, healers, channelers, green company owners, and everyday people who want to make a profound difference in the world. And we're doing this by working with our Galactic Families of Light, who came here to assist humanity and planet Earth. We all have a galactic lineage, which is why we are calling them our Galactic Families of Light, and our contact is based on love and peace. Major medical, technology, and spiritual breakthroughs are a result of information and technology drops from our Galactic Families of Light. We are connecting with our Galactic Families of Light to receive these advanced healing modalities, wisdom, and technologies to create health, abundance, love, reverence for all life, and a pristine planet. A new way of life. If someone doesn't believe your galactic experiences, we are here to tell you, you know what you saw, and that galactic contact is real. In fact, you are more spiritually advanced than those who don't believe you. People will tell you that galactic contact isn't real and this is all in your head. Yet it's happening every single day with thousands of people. And it's happening for a reason, to save humanity and our planet. We are Galactic Lightworkers, and we're here for the greater good.